Hi, let's know more detail about how AI changing the jobs. Everyone asking me a same question, will AI change my jobs or replace my jobs? In simple answer, there are some tasks more of a repetitive can be, but in the longer run, AI is not a replacing job, rather it replacing a task. In my video, let's know more detail about how AI changing the jobs and what you can do to stay ahead as part of AI requirements. Hi, I'm Hamid Khan. Welcome to my channel, Poske Journal. Please watch this video till the end to know more about how AI changing the jobs. To understand better what is happening right now, we need to go back to bit early days. Early 90s or before that, every transaction, every work record we used to keep in the books manually. That has been replaced by computers, meaning technology replaced by manual labor. Similarly, nowadays what is happening is AI is here to change your mental of work. For example, AI can read, write, analyze, decide and communicate. So the jobs related to repetitive tasks, repetitive thinking are the changing fastest. Let's take few more examples to understand better. The main point is here AI is not replacing entire jobs. It's replacing tasks inside the jobs. Repetitive work done by AI, but when it comes to thinking, creativity, decision making, still done by humans. Let's take an example to understand better. Software developers. Every developers write every line of code. Now AI tools can write code, fix bugs, and explain errors. Now in this case, developers can focus on reviewing AI generated code, system design, and solving complex problems. With this help of AI, developers can become 10 times faster and more reliable. One more example for data analyst. Earlier, analysts spent hours of time by cleaning up data with manual queries, Excel reports. Now, AI can explain data in natural language and also can provide dashboards. In this case, current analysts can focus on business storytelling, decision making from the data, also asking better questions to the chatbots. With this help of AI, these analysts can become business advisors. One more example for customer support. Customer support team can answer every query manually. Since AI chatbots have been booming, chatbots can handle 60 to 80% of common queries. In this case, support team can focus on handling complex queries, emotional queries, and high value issues. For example, Amazon, Zomato, Swiggy use AI chat for order status and refunds. Now the customer experience specialist can focus on CRM tools, training, chatbot workflows, also focusing on empathy and problem solving. With this, they can become higher paid skilled agents. Few new jobs created by AI: prompt engineer, AI workflow designer, AI trainer, AI product manager, Gen AI consultant, and machine learning engineer. Companies now hiring people just to design AI workflows as well. Simple rule to stay safe in the AI area. Work with AI, you will be winning. If you are a job based on thinking, learn AI tools. Based on creative, use AI as assistant. Based on people based, AI will boost you, will not replace you. But humans who use AI will replace those who don't. I hope this video may help you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on my social media pages. Thank you.